Hello everyone, I am Knanu Vaishnavi, registered as 21B01B0520. Part of our technology is course activity 2. I here came with the backend of the previous website that I have created, that is partial management. First, I share the screen here. On the desktop, I have the folder 520 where I have all my images and .html files here. All these files have been discussed in my previous video. Here we have web-inf folder, followed by classes folder, lib folder, where we have MySQL connected web.xml file, and in classes we have register servlet.java file. I will read. The main aim is we want all the that have been filled in the registration form on HTML file to be inserted into the table student of student DB database. All the import statements, and in the do post we have string name, request or get parameter name. All this we should not keep rank here, so I kept a S rank. And hostel room number and bed have been given as the drop-down list in the registration form.html file. So in order to make them to be displayed to be inserted into the table student, I have written the code like this: string batch or branch options, and we are giving get parameter values here. The user will click one of the options in it, and it will be assigned to the branch. We are connecting the database, giving as many question marks as possible. As many question marks because we don't know the values, right? Which the user will give. That's why how many columns are there? That many question marks here. Set string commands here. Please. Yeah, here. These all in the try block. After successful submission of the registration form.html file, it will be redirected into the success.html file. Otherwise, it will come into the catch block. All this. Okay. The class file should be must here in the class folder. This is data issue of the file. Is web.xml file. Is my index.html file. This is my registration form.html file. Here, see, in the form tab, we have to give action equal to /register servlet. This is here. Like this, it will be displayed after successful submission of the registration form.html file. Okay. This folder should be kept in local C drive, program files, that's software foundation, Tomcat. Into the web apps, we have to copy and paste the folder in it. Later, in order to deploy this particular web application, I will go into bin, a startup, Tomcat, later, localhost, my port number is 4040 / my folder name. This is my folder, HostelAllot. So click on hostels. it will redirect into registration form.html file. Okay, first of all, I will show my student table here. And then client, give the password here. Next, use student table. Select. Yeah, I have only that I have inserted here. Yeah, this is the table, right? Now I will insert it. Yeah, okay. Now I have filled all this. When I click on the submit button, registration is successful. I have success.html file here. Okay, now let's go into school. Here in the MySQL command line client, I will give this command so that to check if the data is have been inserted into the table student. See here, the data have been inserted. Yeah, this is how that have created the backend to my previous website, HostelAllot. Q.